Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm here at Productronica 2017 on the Scoop Studio, and I'm joined by Ronny from Seho. Ronny, good to see you. Seho have got a reputation for innovation, for bringing new products to market. What have you got for us this week at Productronica?
Yeah, this week we see several machines, all the 3 or 4 legs that we have in machinery for soldering. That means handling, selective, wave and reflow machinery. And in each of these segments we have some innovations with us. And we invite everyone to the booth, that's right, to see that. And especially for a selective line, we have some automation with a robot. We have the soldering process by itself. We have the AOI and some brushing after the soldering, and then a robot that can do a job after the discrimination, good or bad, and then some automation to get the PCB back underneath the whole process area.
Okay, and when you talk about automation, is that automation you're doing as Seho, or is that in partnership, collaboration with other vendors?
That's pure Seho stuff, and we are always serving the machines with THT processes with fixed width in terms of pallets or frames to the machine, from the machine to the working place, back underneath the machine, stack them somewhere, cool them, provide for further process steps. And my joke is always we cast and catch the frames through the working hole and serve the machine with that.
Yeah, and when you look at robotics, that's an area that's coming more and more into the SMT line. Is that something you had internal expertise on, or did you have to bring robotic engineers in to develop those products?
It's more or less our own experience over many years to move the frames, the two-dimensional stuff, also in a horizontal movement from A to B, and to stack. And let's say the three-dimensional work of a robo, this is something new, and we find one type that we can easily operate with our software that we already have. And so we can use this in a cell to discriminate yellow and green, to put out PCBs from the pallets, or to sort out the bad parts from the AOI.
And we're a couple of days into the show here. What's the response been to the new products? What are the customers saying to you?
I would say the aisle is always full with people looking at this line, even if nothing is moving, but we always explain from A to Z what's happening in this line, and everything says, oh, that's fine. And finally, we got an award for a innovation to bring additional processes in this line. That means after soldering, we brush the solder line and we look at it with the AOI and have an indication, good or bad, and give this PCB with some information with the new software to a Verify workplace to see if it's all right or not.
Yeah, and that information is important. It needs to be actionable information that can help improve processes.
That's right. So this is more or less aiming at a zero fault production, and it works.
Yeah, that's perfect. Well, congratulations on the award, and thanks for coming to talk to me. Thank you.
Thank you also.